Is that a gram?
New card. What do you think?
Whoa, very nice. Look at that.
Picked them up from the printers yesterday.
Good card.
That's bone. And the lettering is something called Cillian Braille.
That's cool, Bateman, but that's nothing. Look at this.
That's really nice.
Eggshell with Romalian type. What do you think?
Nice.
Jesus, this is really super. How did a nitwit like you get to be so tasteful?
I can't believe that Price prefers McDermott's card to mine.
Wait. You ain't seen nothing yet. Raised lettering, pale Nimbus white.
Impressive. Very nice. Let's see Paul Allen's card. Look at that subtle off-white coloring. The tasteful thickness of it. Oh my God. It even has a watermark.
Is something wrong, Patrick? You're sweating.